I'm at the Sycamore Inn in Rancho Cucamonga, California. Centennial car show for Route 66. Enjoy. Of course, you got Automobile Club of Southern California, and they've got a wrecker over there.
Tom Crawford. Tom Crawford. Please come to the DJ booth. Tom Crawford. Please come to the DJ booth.
Oh, man. Oops, excuse me. It's like a 67 Lincoln Continental four-door convertible. Falcon Futura. There's like rows. You want to go to the back row first? Or work our way around?
Check to see if you're check the board to see if you want 8 raffle prizes.
$66.
$2,000. Wow. Almost my uncle had.
Wow, there's a neat color. Pony interior.
Oh, but look at the video.
Oh yeah. Oops. Oh, that's right. You're a Nova girl. Miss Corey's a Nova girl. I like that color.
This is an automatic.
Inline 6. Woohoo! Maverick with a big blower on it. Maverick.
Oh yeah. Oh totally. Walking down the aisle. Oh yeah. Everything. Holy smoke, my
Big old Oldsmobile. He's got a book under here to go with the car. It's got air conditioning. Oldsmobile Super 88. Love the detail in the piping. Yeah, of course, I'm thinking Scout stuff. Ideas.
Okay.
Doesn't have to be 100% real or stock.
If all car shows were under the shade like this and cool, I would like to go.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's a perfect day, isn't it? It is.
Yeah.
How are you doing today?
I'm doing well. How about you both? Good.
Yeah.
Oh, car who spent some time in San Diego.
Yes, it did.
I'm
yes.
retired Navy.
Oh, excellent.
So-
Well, my dad worked for the Navy, but was not in the Navy. So
Okay.
he worked at a lab, research lab, out on Point Loma.
Okay.
Originally, he was in Corona, and then they closed his division in Corona, and so he transferred to San Diego.
Okay.
And I just think this carpool sticker is hilarious here.
Yeah.
Signed up for the carpool so he could get a good parking spot. I don't believe he ever took another person in the car with him, but he got the good spot.
Uh-huh. I haven't seen it.
Oh, and that's all original.
Yeah. Isn't it beautiful? Yeah.
Oh. Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah, this one's a 4-speed, but yeah. Yeah. That's a bigger engine.
Hey, Corey.
Yeah, there's 242. Wait.
Drive-in food. Not nasty.
Well,
It's all plastic.
yeah.
Yes, yeah. This is the first year that we did in 1979. In Japan, you could get a 1970.
Thank you for opening that. I appreciate it.
You're welcome. It's my pleasure. So this was originally my dad's car.
I love where like my versus like you like it never.
I'm not a big fan of the oversized wheels, but that's not my car either.
It looks good.
It looks good. I'm just not a big fan of that size. A lot of direct connection parts in this one. I love that interior. Of course, I'm always looking for ideas for the Scout.
There was a guy 1 year because I remember people.
340 CUDA. Big old shaker hood scoop. McGill's. Strobe stripe. Well, not strobe. Chrysler sure did some fun stuff with colors, interior and otherwise. Look, please don't touch.
$4,000.
Yeah, brand new. 34,000 today probably. So, no, don't worry about it. Sublime, Super B. That thing got a Hemi in it? Yeah, that's got a Hemi in it. There's a lot of bright gold color. '69 426 Hemi, Plymouth Roadrunner, Coyote Duster. Oop.
Sorry.
No worries. Beep beep. Oh, this thing is clean. Oh, wow. It's like a restoration, not a hot rod. I am definitely a big fan of professional cars. Welcome. Don't know how most people would feel about that. Typical Cadillac of the era. And of course, the accommodations for your last ride. I hope this is picking up the metal flake that's going on with the flames. One more ride.
Grandpa, I would polish this car every single day.
So what?
Sniper, EFI, what is that?
It's the fuel injection system for it. It's not the original. It has an adaptive learn capability, so the more you drive it, the better it gets. Once you get the basic programming done, and then you can program to add fuel and things. This looks like a 66. I had a 65 Impala. That firewall is nice and clean. There's a lot of neat stuff inside here. Super Sport. Yeah, I had a 65 Impala 4-door. Not as impressive as a SS. So. The stereo is hidden somewhere because there's the remote for it. Those are neat seats.
There's water over here. Everywhere's water. Is there water?
I go
Water. Baby? Water? Thank you. Hey. Baby. I guess sorry. I need my water right there. Water.
I kind of like these wheels, Tori.
white hilltops too. So I left myself room to go with white wheels. You can tell, yeah. It's not super aggressive, but you can see that. Yeah. A little bit more clearance.
68. I love that firewall.
I'm gonna go finish my lunch. Yeah, go see in a bit.
Oh, check out the bed.
I don't like seeing
That's cool.
So text us. Let me get home.
grandkids aren't going to college when I finish.
My grandkids won't go to college off what I got anyway. I'm working on a 62 Scout. I'm putting it on a 99 Blazer chassis, so I can take it anywhere and do anything I want with it. But I'm not making it a, even though it's going to be 4-wheel drive, I'm not going to drive it like a 4-wheel drive. It's a cruiser.
My brother took one of these and he started making it a 4-wheel drive.
Oh, well, I mean,
And when I started this, he liked this and he dropped the whole idea.
yeah. Yeah.
He had a pretty good start on it too. It looked pretty good.
This is awesome. I love this color. What would you call that?
That's a custom color.
It's a custom. Okay. Okay.
I haven't named it.
Okay. Yeah, I'm trying to fit between Toyota's Lunar Rocks and then the Jeep. I think they call it Earl Grey. It's kind of somewhere between those two would be really nice for the bottom of my Scout. But the top's got to be white. It has to be. I may not live in the desert much anymore, but I used to live in Ridgecrest. But I live in Utah now, near Salt Lake City. It's hot enough, but it's not as bad as Ridgecrest. Thank you, you too. Thank you. Slow and slow. Maybe it's got actual air conditioning. This is sweet. It's just,
What color is that?
it's custom. He hasn't named it. He had a friend mix it. Little Pontiac, Bonneville. Cars lack details like this these days. Like that back there between the rear seats. I don't know if the camera's picking the metal flaking this up, but that is really nice. This is kind of fun. I'm just following Miss Corey. metal flake in that too. That's nice. 68 Camaro, Corvette 5.7. '67 Mustang, 428 Cobra Jet. I was just talking about the CJs with Jim the other day. That's a nice, almost resto quality. Love the Monte Carlo bar and the one-piece export brace. Always got the Marty information off of it too.
If you have tickets, please go check to see if there are those available. We have a bunch of winners. Go check your numbers. They will be drawn 15 minutes.
It's better than the '67 I had.
Please go to the booth to see if you are the winner. Numbers are going to be redrawn in 15 minutes.
Well, this is cool. Check out that store.
Found it in Mesa, Arizona. They looked at it and said, it belongs in California. That is so sweet. Honda Creations. It's an interesting wind deflector, bug deflector. Foxtail. Style Master, huh? I don't know. Backseat driver? What you got to say? Anything to say? Doesn't have a hand up his butt yet. And of course, bullet holes. Stick-on magnetic bullet holes. Polara.
What year?
66, 67. And of course, it's a nice convertible top.
Oh, look at this thing.
It's got a real Ford engine in it. Power antenna. It says 351 on the side there. Nice aftermarket console. Stock plain seats, which I love. Nice aftermarket gauge set. Nicer than my 65s. Oh, let's see, 5960. El Camino. $59. Wonder how hard it is to find this glass. Z28. 57 Chevy. All that room in there. That's why it's a 57. I love that perforated leather.
I know, not yet.
1-piece export brace.
Nice. You don't have to apologize. We'll see you.
Oops. And listed as a GT. Mom had a 66 GT that wasn't really a GT. Now there's a period piece. Compass. Looks like it works too. Oh, Chevy Suburban. What year is this? I don't know. I gotta go catch up to Miss Corey. Another C10. They go Ford. Deluxe. Neat gauge cluster.
Quick announcement, we are at 480 for the 50/50. You're at 480. You have until 140 to grab your tickets.
66.
We're at 40.
Carlo bar.
You have until 140. And that's how we're going to close the 50/50 raffle. At 145, we are going to start the trophies. So all the show contestants at 145, we are going to start the trophies.
So it's got a 302. Another El Camino. Now here's just some of the neat touches. Another one with its own car. I definitely need one of these hats. Nice touch. I love that. The tonneau cover. I love that. Too bad the one on my Gladiator isn't just very tight. Oh, wow.
Actually, they moved from here to Vegas, and then they just stopped making them for the earlier cars.
Oh, my.
You know, they're making for the late Tundra pickup truck. I guess their molds are not there anymore.
Maybe they broke the mold. Who knows?
Me too.
So, this is nice. I like this. Cowl induction. That was the thing. I've almost caught Miss Corey. $59? Yeah, 59. Tri-power curbs. Again, details, because they meant to have the top off. Oh. Painted edges on the disc brakes. What do you think, Miss Corey?
Beautiful day for a car show.
Oh yeah,
Lots of cool cars.
in the 70s is nice.
Uh-huh.
Oh, I do like those wheels. Red wheels. Oh my. Where are they at?
Run Festival.
Ah. Air Force veteran. Thank you, brother. Or sister. I still love those gear shifters. Again, cowl induction. That's why. We're going to 454. That is old paint. That looks good. Oh,
Right.
painted
Now.
wood grain.
If I do the frame and I detail the engine, I'm at 95. Yeah, exactly. That right there. If I do the frame and do the engine how I want, and I do the interior how I want,
They have a loop. I mean, it's the same song over and over and over.
Yes.
These are all cool. Looks okay. Huh?
That Nomad.
Let's go over there. $66, $289. Two-tone pony. There's a neat touch you don't see. Bel Air Nomad. And another one with his car on the dash. Oh, those are neat touches.
hey Larry, oh, no money. Oh, I know you're 50-50. It's a little money. The whole time I was thinking about video.
Gotta love these old hard tops. Hard tops because there's no B-pillar. Oh, there I go again. I think I've misplaced Miss Corey. She's not ignoring me. She's doing her own. Oh, there she is. She went and got some lemonade. Huh?
Free.
Oh, really? Okay.
Might like some. Don't spill it on anything.
Oh, that's good.
Compliment to the badass.
I may go get some in a minute.
We have a few more minutes for 50-50.
58.
Still wanting to get in. Please join 50-50.
58 Impala, 383 stroker, sniper. I love these.
It's up to 475 now. 475. A few more minutes before we stop the drawing at 140. A few more minutes, so get in on the 50-50 raffle. At 140, we're going to stop the raffle. 140.
Slant 6 in this Valiant.
A 65 Dodge Dart.
Dart, okay. Not the Plymouth Valiant. Same car. Although I know some people who'd fight me over it.
This is Rapid Blue.
It's what?
Rapid Blue is the color.
Okay. Those are the right wheels for this car. Perfect wheels for this car.
You know what? The Matt's era, the price point too.
Yeah.
That's one thing with American rims. If it was less than $200, I messed them up. I can afford to get them $300-$400 rims.
Yeah.
That was when we were building it. That's one of the stories, like rims and tires. So where I go. And I really didn't want to go American rims to go.
Nothing like a really cool, well done roadster. Wow. You know, I have to wonder, seeing a Roadster Club since 1957, I can't remember what my father-in-law, I can't remember what car club he was
The
in.
winner of the 50-50 will be announced after the announcement of the trophies. 50-50 will be announced after the trophies.
Okay, now we got a Bronco. What year? 71, okay.
At 145, we're going to start the winners.
The body hasn't been cut.
Start the winners of the trophies.
Those are harder to
Please
find.
come to the center.
Go ahead.
For the trophy.
All original. Awesome. 302, 3-speed, 3 on the tree. Original, unrestored. That is freaking cool. I wonder. How many channels does that CB have?
Well, I don't even know, actually. I never tried.
I'm sure it's at least 23,
Right.
but probably more like the original 12 or 11
Yeah, that's right.
if it's for 71. But I love the whip on it. That's cool. So way back in the day, for CB radio people, we had these slides so you could lock them and unlock them, take them in so that people wouldn't steal them during the CB craze, thanks to Smokey and the Bandit. Okay. 302. The dirty duty one. Wow, that's cool. I love the metal flake in this.
Thank you.
Thank you. Sexy 64. License plate. Yep. I'll bet that's on air ride. I'll bet that's on air ride as low as that's sitting.
Oh, here we go, Mark.
Okay, that might be a bit for me. I may get Miss Corey to give some commentary, what she thought. June 27th, 2026. This is the Sycamore Inn Centennial car show for Route 66. Corvairs aren't my thing, but there's been a lot of interest in them thanks to Matt from Matt's Off-Road. Patina. And these look every bit as good as on these cars too. Uh-oh, it's for sale.
Okay, we're going to get ready to announce.
It's as old as I am. Maybe I'm for sale. I don't know.
Before we do, we'd like to share a special thank you to Rancho Transmission, Badass Coffee, Cruisin' Reunion, Estrella's,
It's a Monza.
Moss Brothers Auto Group, Foothill Auto Body, and Richie's Diner. Thank you all for being proud sponsors.
Looks like
of
they
this
did
first
chop
show.
the
Thank you.
dash to put a modern stereo in, but that's almost forgivable
All right,
these
so
days.
everybody make your way again down. We're going to start announcing the winners. Please make your way down to the booth.
And the flat six.
Okay, again, please make your way to the booth. The winners are being announced now, so please make your way over here. I'm going to start announcing them right now.
So we just walked through the Sycamore Inn Route 66 Centennial Car Show. I've got the lovely Miss Corey with me. Which did you enjoy the most?
Oh, you know, Dodge. That blue thing.
Blue Dodge Dart. The guy put 3 years work into it.
I got to look through the book and see all the step-by-steps. But then I also I'm a Chevy Nova girl for some odd reason. I had a Chevy Nova when I was growing up.
I mentioned that in the video.
And of course it's green, you know, green is my color. So I was turned on to green.
Right.
I like the Super Bee also.
Oh, that Super
one.
Bee was, oh yeah.
And then the green, I don't know if it was I think it was a Chevy truck.
It was a truck.
They had done the inside of the bed.
The bed was done very, very well with I think it was walnut, and it had a teeny tiny little gas filler in the middle of it. So that was really cool. And I got a chance to talk to the owner, and I asked him what color it was, and he's like, I haven't named it. It's a custom color. Well,
That doesn't help us.
doesn't help me, but I like the color, and it was really neat. I think one of the things I enjoyed the most in all of this was watching or looking at the metal flake in some of the paint. I'd have to go with tied between favorites would be the 4-door Lincoln Continental convertible. Those with a 462 under the hood. That was awesome. The other one didn't have the hood open.
Are you talking the one with the convertible and then the
Yeah.
hood in the back? Oh,
Yeah.
yeah, that was beautiful.
Yeah. And then I'm a professional car kind of guy. I'll never own one, but I love a well-done hearse. The license plate on it was one more ride. And there was a sign in the side on the driver's side back window that said, welcome. But there was a lot of metal flake in that, and there was a lot of little details, and it had a hood ornament with a skull. Those would be my two favorites.
Route 66.
So yeah, Route 66. You know, I got one too, and they're real because we got them on Route 66 Centennial Day. Anyway, we're off for further adventures.
Miss Corey out.
Roger out.